This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorites.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is the packaging of the hair, and this is their card. So lovely, you beauty, my duty. The hair came with a stacking cap and a blue and black lashes. These are some cute lashes. The unit is 18 inches Brazilian body wave with bang. It is 130% density and it is also glueless. The unit has 3 combs, one on either side and one at the back, and the adjustable strap at the back. This is how the unit looks straight from the pack, guys. So you can see there is not much you need to do with this hair, guys. You can wear it straight from the pack, but I am extra, guys, so I'll be adding some curls to the unit. I'll be using my flat iron to add the curls to the unit.
That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup, 'cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real, because you know you don't have to. 'Cause baby I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now.
I am back. My camera died while curling the hair, and I was there curling all the way, guys. I'll go ahead and style the units, guys. Don't skip. Watch the video till the end and you will see different ways in which I style this unit. I am going in with my Kira Care Wax Stick to get rid of the flyaways, guys, and give the hair additional sheen.
I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you'll wash away the pain.
The unit is Brazilian body wave with bang. It is a non-lace front wig. It is machine made. The cap size is medium, 22.5 to 23 inches. The density is 130%, guys, but it feels like 150. It is not too thin and it's not too thick. The length of the unit is 18 inches. The color of the unit is natural black. Guys, I experienced no shedding from the unit. As always, link to the unit is in the description down below. So if you're interested, guys, you can go and check Amazon So Lovely here out. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, guys, leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Until next time, guys, walk good.
In my mind, I thought you knew. Though the rain pours down, I will be around. Oh, let's go running in the rain. All the love we had is true. Don't you know that it's true? There is something special in you. Oh, I know. So come rain, don't shine, I'll be by your side. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be running with you, rain or shine. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be. Let's go running in the